in tussies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby that going crazy. Weezy produced. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in tussies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby that going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy have made me. And she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Your Money Records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked.
Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I, you can go leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even Pikachu. Yellow Ferrari, like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna be what I do, tryna steal my moves. 2,500 for a new pair of tennis shoes. The same price I can make them youngins come and finish you. Though you being charged, he'll do it like a voodoo. Real dope boy, 100,000 in his visa. President's attention, slide by, we don't see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. I'm getting money like I'm from the 80s. Man, Dre about to drop, man, they gon' go crazy. They know I'm the truth, coming straight from the basement. I'm straight as a squeak, man, I'm far from the pavement. A million all hundreds, it make them go crazy. Wham, 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 on them baby. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, keys. Soon as I, you can come leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Me and my dog going all the way. When you living like this, they supposed to hate. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, keys. Soon as I, you can come leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Me and my dog going all the way. When you living like this, they supposed to hate.
What up, chat? Welcome back. Where my people at? Where my people at? Let's get some W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Oh no, we're already lagging. Oh, let's go stomp on it. Let's go see. Let's go see. Hello, hello, hello. Stomp on it. Let's go see. Let's go see. Oh no, we up to date. We up to date with it. What up, chat? Good to see y'all. What up, my boy Reginald? Good to see y'all. Pop out chat. Let's put y'all up here. This is how I see y'all, by the way. Y'all don't know how? I read y'all like this. Whoever pops up, pops up. And I say, was goody, was goody, was goody. But I hope y'all have had a great weekend. But screw your weekend because it's time to make some money. You know what I'm saying? Welcome back to another week, guys. We have a lot in store for this week. Last week to me was pretty choppy. Did not find a lot of good entries in the market. And this week I'm just kind of determined, guys. This week I really want to come and just absolutely kill it. So hope you guys are ready to freaking kill it with me. If you guys are ready to kill it with me in the NLT gang, put some fucking 44s in the chat. 44s. Let's see some 44s. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hell yeah, I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Thank you guys all for being here. Like I said, make sure you guys smash that like button. Make sure you guys are tuned in for this entire week. We're going to be here live trading, like I said. Tonight on GJ, nothing too particular in my opinion. We're obviously going to break it down all in a second, but off the bat, GJ not my favorite. Gold was looking a little better, but also we can break down this beautiful trade called in VIP last night. If any of you guys are not a part of VIP, first off, I feel bad for you. But this was the trade I called last night. Basically, I saw this nice trend line as well as in a bearish trend. I missed this first leg. Nice pullback here that, you know, ended these sells. Instead, I kind of, you know, saw this one that happened in between here. Once it played out, I saw it basically break here, reject. And I was like, oh, if we break past here, there's no reason why we shouldn't continue down. So I ended up just calling the sell stops right there. And it played out perfectly. So you can see here, gold was a banger. Called this in VIP. So, you know, a lot of people were able to capitalize on it last night. You know, if you guys were able to capitalize on it, congratulations, free money. And then for Nas, I didn't call this out because Jerome Powell did speak this morning, but ultimately coming into the morning, I saw this kind of, first off, I saw this kind of like, I don't know, trend that led to this big impulse that ended up taking out the London highs. And immediately after we took out the London highs, we came and had this big push down. So all I did was see how we kind of came up into this, like, in my opinion, like a fib level, you know what I'm saying, retrace, kind of broke structure. And I didn't know if we were going to come break past ultimate highs. So all I wanted to wait for was some sort of like more major sell-off, which ended up happening. You know, this whole thing to me was showing that like sellers, like aggressive sellers, were obviously present. And all I did was fib from this high to this low. And you can see here, nice pullback into the golden zone that led to these immediate shorts, just taking the liquidity resting below. If you guys have any questions about anything I go over, also, like if you guys are new to my channel, don't know how I trade or anything like that, all you have to do is ask. A lot of the time I just talk fast, and I know that ain't always the most fun. So just let me know, and I always can break anything down. Yo, what was that session indicator you used again? Just realized mine went missing. Yeah, so make sure you guys all like what you want to do is when you go up to indicators and type in trading sessions Sonar Lab, make sure you click, like, put the settings in and then click the star. So every, like, let's say that you do erase it from your chart, when you come back up, it'll have a list of everything you've starred. You can see here that if I were to go erase any of this, I could just go back up to indicators and press any of them, and it's gonna have the same settings and all that type of stuff. My nose is kind of stuffy tonight. I don't know what happened. But I was on that, guys. Like I said, gold was definitely a beautiful position this morning. Someone said, what do you know to use the fib, amigo? Do you wait till you see some rejection? How you use a fib is basically whatever leads to a break of structure. The whole kind of reason I draw a fib, I mean, like real people who like use fibs use them differently than I do. I more just use fibs, and I've been using them more recently just to show my students and my mentorship and stuff about premium and discount. That's been like a huge, you know, change for them, but that's like why I use it. Thanks, man. Yes, sir. Cat dog Jordan. Hell yeah, brother. You already know. Discount knowledge drop changed my trade and super appreciate that. LL3. That's what I'm saying. LL3, bro. If you know, you know too, because a lot of y'all might not know. That boy Reginald, she already know, he knows. Check out GU remove drawings. GU's kind of just moving sideways. You know what I'm saying? Whenever we see a sideways moving market, we look for session liquidity to be taken out, which you see already did. Right there. So let's go to GJ. Let's do like a more in-depth breakdown. I feel like I haven't really like gone over anything really. So when it comes to GJ, when I was out on the 4 hour, you could see here that we have this big W occurring that ended up leading this bigger structure, correct? When I look kind of closer, you could see this big melt off that came from that news. And basically the one thing I'm like curious about is if price is just in discount to continue lower, or if this was to pull back, take out these lows and continue higher. I think because of the recent news, because of the election, if any of you guys didn't see what happened with the JPY, they're going through elections, and ultimately the person who got elected is, I guess, more favored. You know, a lot of people look at him as a benefit to the economy, so just him getting elected caused the JPY to gain strength. When the JPY gains strength, it actually sends GJ going down. So you can see here on the 4 hour, this big melt, and I'm expecting us to be, you know, back up in here. So I just need structure. You know, I'm definitely a trader that like needs to see some structure. So now that we're in discount, we need to see like price kind of accumulate or something, maybe manipulate, and then look for, I don't know, a break of structure to continue. As of now, all I see is it making higher highs and higher lows into discount, which is not the most pretty. That's why I told you guys coming into the night that GJ to me does not look the best. Gold I think is also in some sort of retracement just due to the sells that I called this morning in VIP right here. Similar thing where if you were to just fib this high to that low, if I could just go here to this low, you can see we're just now getting back up into discount, which I think we could even come a little deeper into, you know, like up into the golden zone 786, and then from there maybe look for retracement, or, you know, to wait for a pullback and see if we would like hold this demand or something. Those are the only like two scenarios that I would see, is a pullback into this demand, maybe try to take it higher, like, which would be more risky, or wait for it to get deeper into discount, form some sort of structure, break structure, back, you know, bearish, and then look for shorts on gold. but I wouldn't say it's that pretty. GU, you can see here, I told you guys that when it comes to the accumulation, when the price is just kind of moving sideways, one of the only trades that like I'm more confident in is session liquidity trades, which you can see here. You know, you go out, you can clearly see, you know, GU kind of moving inside, like sideways, it's just accumulating. And you can see here the Asian session created a range. We had this push down that swept the low. So the Asian lows are already swept and are manipulated. So, you know, it's already distributing back up. We can go over to EU. EU, on the other hand, did not go down. So if you go to the 5 minute, you can see we have a nice demand sitting right here that is in alignment with the Asia lows. So like seeing some sort of maybe like pullback, take out the lows, take out Asia session lows to continue. That would be pretty good, pretty good, pretty cool. You know what I'm saying? Check out the DXY. DX1, the hourly. Looks like it formed a deep W after taking liquidity. It's had this big push. We haven't pushed back down at all. Back in the discount before. 4 looks honestly kind of bullish on the DXY, which, like I said, we'll go to GU shorts. We'd have to see. What does this look like on the daily? It also looks bullish though. 4 hour. Very interesting. Anyone in the chat, have any of you guys taken any like really cool trades lately or anything? Any cool trades or anything? I'm gonna set alerts at the Asia highs and lows on NASDAQ. That's lie. I said this was to pull back deeper. Can everyone hear me good? Put some ones in the chat if you guys can hear me. One's in the chat, one's in the chat, one's in the chat. Perfect. What up, Lewis? Posted garage. Yo, Lewis, when are you gonna start your? You should already be on this channel on your new YouTube channel. Or are you gonna start posting from this one? I would just make a new one. Loki. Loki. Gold. I mean, gold is. We've done this pull so many times. So many gold traders here. But all right, USD CAD. I want someone right now. Someone who's been watching me for a while. What is the inverse correlated pair from USD CAD that I use? Besides the DXY. Come on now. Need that new channel boost. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. Gotta redo it. Is this lag in chat? I need to figure this back out. Hello. Oh no, we're good. Cool. GJ? No. Come on guys, the inverse correlated pair from USD CAD. That's not the DXY. Come on, someone. NAS. NAS might be, but that's not what I'm looking for. Come on, another guess. Another guess, another guess, another guess. EURUSD. Yeah, I was gonna say GBP USD, but EURUSD works as well. So for anyone out there looking at USD CAD, USD is the front pair, and then this is the cross pair is CAD. So if the US dollar is going up in value, USD CAD is actually going to be going up in value, correct? If you go to a pair like EU, Euro USD is actually the cross pair. So what that means is that if the USD is going up in value, Euro USD is actually going to be going down in value, because that's actually going to be increasing strength in the dollar, which is going to move the euro versus US dollar closer to 1-to-1 equal, which would move price down. So, you know, because of that, you could tell that EU is inverse correlated than USD CAD. Just using all the same pairs and confluences and stuff. You know what I'm saying? USD JPY, USD CAD. USD CAD and DXY are both pretty high. Gee. Let's see, hourly. You know what? Let's just swing some buys. I'm gonna stay bullish on this shit. No reason not to. All right, let's go find an entry within there. So that's the hourly, 15, 30, 5. See no sort of liquidation at all or anything. Let's wait to see. I don't want to flip yet, so let's see. Open this as well. And like I said, guys, if any of you guys have any questions, feel free to always ask. Gotcha, guys. I'm currently just looking at GU. Look over at EU. EU, I want a deeper retracement. Let's see how the higher time frames look with it. Higher time frames are similar. You can see here. Or did we not? Oh no, we did, exactly. I'm definitely thinking buys at some point tonight. Getting a pullback would be key, but we will have to see. Oh, AUD USD maybe. I mean, you can see we already had a good pullback on this leg made during Asia session. Continue, wait for just one more pullback. I would say EU and GU look better. USD CAD on the other hand, instead of looking for buys, I would be looking for sells if I'm looking for buys on those other pairs. Correct? Make sense, chat? PX NAS. USD CAD. Yeah, I have to wait and see. GU on like the hourly looks clean. On this hourly push, it actually just now flipped. Like buys within here for sure look good. How many pips is that? 14. What is this? GU, EU hourly is looking clean as well on that flip. And she would be at the break of that hourly high. Stop below there. This potential setup on EU, guys. This also could be early buyers. You see how there's a lot of liquidity sitting below, and you see that I clearly have arrows kind of retracing down into the demand area. So that's just something to definitely be aware of. But I just think on the you guys go to the hourly, look at the hourly on EU here. Oh my god, come on now. Look at the hourly as we're breaking hourly highs right now, and then also on GU. Look at the hourly. Y'all tell me those don't both look like liquidations. We pulled back, tried to move higher, held lows, which to me is really just like this W pattern, double bottom to go higher. Is the trade on? No, I'm not personally in, but I'm just kind of explaining it for anyone here who potentially does want to maybe look to get in. I'm not in right now. Because like I said, even with USD CAD, like I kind of want USD CAD to move a little deeper up before selling off, and it really would just leave like this like nice built up liquidity trend line up to then to sell all the way through. But once again, if this does move up and USD CAD does move this like little bullish up, that's going to send GU and EU kind of down like this, lower to then continue, which that would be ideal for me personally. For me personally, I would want it to kind of come, like even on EU, you could see here, we have a nice demand. GU is more just that, like you could see, we have like nice lows. I guess we, you know, already swept Asia lows, but just a minor pullback would be key. Gold. And put in demo account, nice, just to play it out. Like I said, this kind of is explaining, if the hourly didn't look good, I would definitely wait for the pullback, but the hourly just looks like it's about to push. Like look at this hourly, especially from the break of that high. Too clean with it. Hey, yo, top songs, chill. Y'all could definitely swing these hourly. Okay, that means that USD CAD should be going down. Let's go see if there's any entry anywhere. Yeah, no, I think it needs a pullback. Like, what is this? UJ. UJ should short also. I forgot. Interesting. Hey, looking for my G up, my TPS 133895. So 133895. That's like right at these highs though, bro. That's like barely even a 1-to-1. If you're gonna be taking this trade off the hourly, because once again, the 5-minute and stuff doesn't look the cleanest to me. It's more that the hourly looks really good. So if you're gonna play the hourly, you should at least aim for it to break these highs, because it really should break and potentially continue. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I'm holding off. I'm not in the position. Gold is trying to push off. Hey, looking for the what that session indicator you got? This is the Sonar Lab session. Sonar Lab session.
Because my second taste is good as my first. That's a lot to expect from a beer.
Sorry, I just sent a voice note to my trainer because he texted me back. So let's see. What do you think it'd be a good TP? Like I said, bro, like TP1 should be just the highs right here. What is that? 3389. I guess that's exactly what you said, right? You said 33895. That's so funny. 3389. That's literally what that's so funny. That's just the high I'm looking for it to get taken out, and then from there it is just wondering if we're gonna continue higher, which, you know, right up in here, 33958. Nah, I mean, I'd go for 34084. Thanks, Luca, that on 1 hour time frame. Yes, sir. See EU. Yeah, like I said, I don't like the low volume too. So like, I like that EU has these lows to take out. This is why, like, to me, this is potentially going to be like a setup that I'm looking for tonight. Like this. Who else besides Plug Rich Tay got into the trade? Let me know if you guys got into the trade. Yo, what up, Zell? How you doing, bro? Good to see you, good to see you, good to see you. I got in, bro. What'd you get into? Did you get into EU or GU? Like I said, GU to me is I think looks the cleanest. EU is probably gonna follow suit. It's just moving a little slower as of now. So let's just go over this. Let's go over, okay, Luca, the trade played out. You didn't get in. What could you have done to potentially have caught this trade? Okay, because, you know, first off, for anyone who maybe just hopped up on the stream, I'm not in this trade. I marked it up because if you guys go to the hourly timeframes on both EU and GU, both of them breaking out of the hourly highs right now looks very, I don't know, like we see here that like we had these equal lows taken out to tap right into this hourly demand after being bullish. Looks like we have built up liquidity that tapped. We kind of accumulated and then we just broke after having a nice bottom wick. We just broke hourly highs and having this push. So that's on EU and then on GU as well. Same type of thing where you can see here we're starting to get the push. It's just the lower time frames I never really saw. I mean, GU did take the liquidity down under this low. EU did not. And that's why I kind of wanted to wait for a retracement. Because like, once again, I just see this as lows to be taken out. So that's what I'm kind of waiting for as of now. USD CAD should... Oh, it's starting to reject. USD CAD starting to reject. That means we can go kind of check out the DXY. LOL, as always, go to making making the markets look like kindergarten work. Love it, bro. DXY is starting to shoot down, which if you guys already know, that should be sending GU and EU up. That should be sending USD CAD down. It's obviously not even in discount or anything yet, so let's just go see UJ maybe. UJ hasn't even really broken structure. Let's see on maybe on the 1 minute. We can mark up this in the 1 minute now. All I want to know is where the I already know what you meant to say. You motherfucker. Tortas autocorrect. Why would it autocorrect to anything that isn't tortas? They obviously know what we're talking about. It's like, come on, Siri and iPhones. Y'all been listening to us enough. That background song smacks. Honestly, I didn't even put my headphones on. Yeah, it's pretty clean. What up, Dirty Gear Clothing Apparel? How you doing, bro? Oh, you want the last one smacked? This one called Mobbin. All right, let's try this one. Replay it. I wasn't listening. Sounds like a TikTok song, yeah, kinda. I'm good, fam. Good to see you going hard per usual. Thank you, bro. Appreciate y'all, guys. New YouTube video coming out soon. If you guys did not watch the last YouTube video, first off, screw you. No, I'm kidding. But definitely go show some love, guys. I did not really get that many views on this last one, but it's all good because this next one I'm dropping, it's a pretty good video. But make sure y'all go click that video, show some love. You guys sweep this. G and them are starting to sell off, guys. You can see here. You can see if you go over the DXY, it's starting to fly. Off to 50 MA. So it's always important to be careful. Be patient. So like I said, guys, EU on the pullback looks better for me. If we can get pullback, take out these lows and tap into this demand, I'll look for an entry down in here. For sure, for sure. How's gold? Gold is just super overextended up. Clearly took out highs. We are in discount, but it's in no place for me to sell. Like, if anything, I know a lot of you guys are looking to buy because we're so high, but like, if anything, I mean, if I had to do either, I would probably sell. But I'm not, it hasn't done anything. It hasn't done either for me to want to take. Ooh, wait, what is this? UJ? I like this play on UJ on the hourly. What is this, 4 hour maybe?
Now don't be trying to come around my girl acting like Mr. Friendly. It's still the spotlight like Mr. Bentley. I spotted her like Spud McKenzie.
We'll see in 15 minutes how that turns out.
Get your own. I got Paris, he got Nicky, he tried to get him a clone. He said, yeah, you know you got extra hoes and everything you do is extra cold. From the polo fleece to the Jesus piece. I got family in high places like Jesus niece. Can I please say my piece? If y'all press to death, then I'm deceased. And this one here is a heat rock, spit like a beatbox. The way the beat rocks, new version of
Any of y'all got any questions or anything? Definitely let me know. I'm just scoping the same kind of pairs back and forth, just waiting to see for a good trade to potentially present itself. UJ like on the hourly. I love how we took up the previous high and are turning super bearish. If we can close bearish below, I'll look for sells. GU pulling back, that's why it's obviously important to wait for the right confirmations. But you can see here off of the, what's it called? Just off the like session lows, if you were to have taken the trade. Let's say it comes down, sweeps the session low, and you get in right here. It's a 1 to 3 hit, almost, not quite. Nice 2.5, yeah. Nice 2.5 R to R up into the supply. Resting liquidity right above. We'll see if it continues back lower, or if it's just gonna form a double bottom to continue higher. You, Mom, gonna have to join the traders like while working out how you're doing. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. I've been loving it. I've been loving it. Hey, you. Let's wait and see, Cuzzo. Give me UJ and discount, please. USD CAD. Similar. Y'all be seeing this? You, J-Dog. Actually, that's just crazy. In a way, the trade is actually touching the provide gap on retracing back to the liquidation pool, so that made you take non sell in the rejection point on top. In a way, the trade is actually... So what made you not take the sell at the rejection point at the top? Of what? Of UJ or what? GU? Up here? Because we already took session liquidity below, I don't really go against my original buys. Like, if I would have gone to buys here, cool, that would have been fire. But to me, when there's liquidity being taken below and then we have this pullback up here, even though you can consider this a rejection zone, the question's always is where is liquidity sitting? And because we came in and already took out lows, I thought it was less likely we're going to come down and sweep them, which we still might not, you know what I'm saying? I'm expecting that we're really just pulling back into here potentially. The demand down in here on G, on EU as well. Down in here would honestly be ideal. You trade SMT? No, I don't really know what SMT is. SMT is when it's just like, it's like when like NAS and like ES, for example, like NQES, like it's like this, right? Where like, let's say NQ is like this and like ES is like, this is like SMT, right? Or what? Yes or no? Because what I really do trade is SL. This is why I trade. Who can translate? You even could do this and just look, I make my own. I trade SLCC. If anyone asks, oh, so the session start has strong influence. Yeah, so the session was already bullish. We came and swept the lows and then continued up. And the question is, oh, all right, well, there's not that much liquidity sitting below because we already swept it. We should continue higher. Can the SMT guy let me know? Because I'm genuinely curious. It's when like different, like, it's like when correlated pairs just have like slight, what's it called? Not imbalance, but like, I'm new to trading. Oh, he doesn't even know. So SMT I thought is more of a confirmation, not a way to trade. You know what I'm saying? So guys, what's that called? Oh, divergence. It's kind of like divergence on correlated pairs. Can someone translate this? What's SLCC? Sell limits clap cheeks. Lucas stays counting cash. Haha. Hey, yo, I love that one. That would be LSCC. Assessing liquidity. Character change. No, guys, I trade smart Luca cash concepts. Smart Luca money concepts or smart Luca cash concepts. Ain't no way we was getting that. Come on. My new confluence. Yeah, guys, come on. I need help. I'm trying to find a strategy. I'm trying to learn, but there's too much info online. Bro, that is such a good statement. That is such a good statement. There's too much info online, guys. There's literally a million different concepts you guys can go learn on YouTube, online. It's about sticking to one that you know is true and sticking with it day in, day out, each session. So, bro, I have so many videos on my YouTube that can help you. I do mentorship as well. I have a course, whatever you need, bro. Let me help you out. And he does it live. Use that one that works. Yes, sir. Exactly. Just stare at my trading indicators. Just start that shit up. And Luca does it right. Thank you, bro. Yeah, I mean, bro, if you haven't been here before, this is definitely a good place to be. We have such a strong community. Make sure you guys Join the free signals chat. What's your take on sniper entries, Luca? I think that when it comes to sniper entries, bro, I mean, that's what, like, low-key, like, my strategy. It's about waiting for the perfect kind of things to line up and getting kind of a sniper entry, because I have such small stop losses that it kind of works. You know what I'm saying? $60 watching, go press the like button. It's free and it shows support. Exactly, guys. Just click that freaking button. Also click that subscribe button. It's completely free. Exactly, your stop losses are tight as hell. Yeah, so like when it comes to sniper entries, guys, I think it just has to do with what type of strategy you have. There's certain strategies that, like, you know, when I went to the hourly and you guys saw this setup when it was breaking out highs, whatever it may be, there's people that would swing it, you know what I'm saying? That would just get into it, put their stop loss way below here and then try to put it up here. I don't, you know, I'm not really into that. I like knowing pretty soon if I'm gonna win or lose the trade. You know what I'm saying? But when I try to put S at the bottom of liquidity pool, I get smacked hard. Well, that's why I wait for liquidity to be taken out. I say it all the time, but if you wait for liquidity to be taken out, you are less likely to become liquidity. Damn, how did I not see this on EU, guys? How'd no one call this out? How'd I just notice this? That happened right in front of our eyes 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes ago. What is it, ho? You know the time zones that I marked on the chart, is it an indicator? Yeah, it's called Sonar Lab Sessions. I have a YouTube video on my channel, guys. You guys go back over to my channel, like I said. Click on here if you're curious about that. I think it's in the session liquidity one. It's called the only liquidity. This one right here, the one liquidity strategy you need. Make sure y'all go sub. UJ meow. What's UJ doing? Wait for it. GG Clap City. Alright. So we're getting the melt off. Reverse fib. Yeah, that means USD CAD's flying. Wait, what? I mean DXY flying? Yeah, DXY. Flying. Alright, so USD CAD. USD CAD should not be going down. So that honestly, maybe give us an entry somewhere. Like if someone's feeling ballsy, I was right when I'm about to get. Alright, we talk about it, it starts flying. Yeah, so guys, just simply using correlation, I'm able to tell It should be fun. What up, Stephen Owens? Good to see you, brother. Then last TS pretty soon, yes sir. Steven Owens, how you been, bro? Where you been? Where you been? Where you been? DXY. Gonna break out. EU still going down. I'm at work. How you been, twin? I'm doing good, bro. Life's good, just trading, living. You feel me? Are you connected to Diddy? Bro, get out of here. I work as a correctional officer. I'm in the pod with it. Hey, good job, bro. Put in that work. Good job. Love to see it. Damn, that sells off. Damn, bro, in front of our fucking eyes. Yes, I just had to kind of have the direction wrong. What about gold? Gold's still up there. UJ? UJ should actually be going up. Because it should be going up with DXY. So after we get this big push, we can fib this up. Oh, not that. We're gonna stop in here. Where are you from, bro? I'm out here in LA. I'm out here in Los Angeles, California. Represented for the Cali traders. It's really just me and Cowboy out here now. It was me, Cowboy, and Mamba. Mamba's in Vegas now. I'm working my consistency for the past 2 or 3 months. Been trading my personal money. Good job, bro. How's that going? To free our mind. And, yeah, I'm from Germany. Cold as fuck. Now I want to leave. Damn. How cold is it right now? Why not move from Cali? There's no reason to. Why would I move? We're killing it out here. Them taxes. Lewis, aren't you here? You're here with me too, bruh. You're getting taxed too. You said them taxes. We don't need any more Cali people. Y'all made everything expensive for us. Bro, everyone just hates on Cali people, but bro, we just... Dude, actually, I'm not gonna say it. Not even gonna say it. Let's go to Dubai. Yes, sir. I'll be there. I think I'm going there for the summit. Damn, so I was waiting to fill up this leg, but this was the real move. Crazy. Look at that. I literally could sell with my eyes. 786. Bib, tracement, boom. Crazy. I'm now the first time on your channel. What are you trading? I trade FX pairs. So currently on the chart, I was looking at EU and GU because I was looking at DXY and it's breaking out bullish. We're now currently coming up and taking out the Asia highs. So we could see if we're gonna get some sort of retracement from here, or if we're actually just gonna continue higher, because the the higher time frames does look like it's super bullish. So the DXY does push and keep going up. EU and G are just gonna keep sinking. GJ should maybe follow. Gold and GJ weren't looking as good tonight. That's why I was looking at those other pairs. AUD USD kinda not doing as much. Not doing as much. I put one kind of live account with a person a big amount and ended up only having 200 left in this last month. I made it from 200 to 700. Now I'm back at 270 from 150. Hey, good shit, bro. Oh wait, no. Oh wait, no. Ended bad. That's why risk management is super important, bro. It looks like your risk is changing everywhere. It looks like you put 1K into an account. You lost a lot, which, you know, I don't know exactly how much you're risking, but then the 200 to 700, I'm super curious how much you're risking. But to go from 700 to 273 because of one move means that you risked. But I made it from 200 to 700, now I'm back at 273. So yeah, you're just risking a lot. Risk management is super important. That's all I'm gonna say. Imagine a World Cup tournament for trading who's held up for Team USA. Yeah. What is your fib settings so I can screenshot? Think. Got you, brother. Voila. I see Clarity Traders. Isn't that Mamba FX? I saw the same name on his channel. Yeah. It's like one of my best friends. I'd be out here. Clarity is basically damn near just me, Cowboy, and Mamba. I don't really know anyone else that claims Clarity. I just be out here. Me and Cowboy are hella close now. We've been going out like every weekend. Going crazy. Content's coming out for you guys though. That's all I gotta say. Hella content for you guys. You were 73% crazy. I had bad 2 weeks because US 30. Yeah, maybe just don't do that. You just fuck, I had to learn it the hard way. Glad I nipped that in the butt. Yeah, like bro, if you're trading an account and US 30 one day is taking 270, but then maybe you have a winning day but you're only winning like 120, that means that you're literally like 0.5 to 1R. You know how I go for those 1 to 3s? You're going for like a 0.5 to 1. You know? No, thank you. Damn, GA2, UJ. Okay, this is what's confusing is look at UJ's setup. This is wild. You gonna see my. What is your trading strategy? What are you looking for or waiting for? So I basically try to go to the higher time frames and determine a bias, whether I want to be bullish or bearish. From there, I go to lower time frames and kind of find like an impulse leg that I can play off of, and then from there, I'm waiting for prices to be back into discount and looking for my own little, you know, strategy, my own little 3-step, looking for some sort of liquidation that's leading to a break of structure or some sort of change of character that's happening, and then waiting, you know, just waiting for that to occur. Little retracement into either like, you know, discount for value gap or demand, supply, whatever it may be, and then taking the trade from there. Aiming for opposing liquidity. That's just how I feel. I always try 1 to 3, depends on the confirmations I get. Bro, I love that everyone here is 1 to 3 gang. 1 to 3 is what I got for. Love it. Are you profitable? Is this your main job? No. I do this and then I work as a Fuck. I can't even think of something funny. God damn it, I ruined it. I gotta think of something funny to say. I gotta have that like ready for when people come and ask that. Yeah, bro, I've been a full-time trader for a long time now. Oh yeah, OF, bro. I should start saying OnlyFans. Facts. I actually do part-time OnlyFans. Only feet though. You know? That's all I'm kind of rocking. I don't want to see anything else. Nah, but I've been a full-time day trader, bro, since 2022, really. I'm trying to gradually stay consistent over 3 to 4 months. And then when I do, I'm gonna put like 7K in a live account, work my way up. There we go, bro. But bro, make sure that you prove it to yourself first. You know what I'm saying? Don't just put money into an account just because you can. Like, practice that good risk management. He's a candle salesman. Facts. So work? No work. I don't work. You have a Telegram group or something like that? Yeah, so I do have a... Bro, look me up on Instagram and stuff too, guys. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram. Also, if you guys want to get into the signals, this is... Luca works out. Yeah. You can follow my journey right here. But you can get into my FX and gold room or my indices room. If you guys are curious, like what it kind of looks like this was last night in the in VIP. So basically, I always let you guys know what I'm kind of looking for. But last night, I was looking for these sells on gold. What ended up happening, obviously, let you guys know. Looking for sells on gold. Ended up calling a sell stop. I always will call, not always, but most of the time, we'll call a sell buy or sell stop so that you guys get a good entry. And then, you know, I'll let you guys know when it's active, once it gets activated. And you guys can see here, TP1 was hit, and then it ended up just absolutely flying. It was such a great way to start the week. TP3 here, it's securing a majority here. This was this trade over here, this whole sell. Right, not there, over here, this whole sell. We caught this whole sell last night in VIP. From right here, this was the entry. So if any of you guys want to get into that, guys, like I said, I mean, it really just pays for itself. I know that it sounds cliche, but it's like, you know, if you actually are trading and you use it as a confluence, if you guys just enter just to enter, no, you guys should like go and actually like look why I'm getting into the trade so you guys can look for a similar setup. Like this UJ one, I literally, I don't want to say I don't know what to say. Like, I don't want to say I told you so about the setup, because once again, if I don't say it out loud, then I'm not allowed to say that. So if I ever say that, say, no, look, you're capping your line, bad trader, liar, boom, 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 liar, scammer. You know what I'm saying? But when I came over to USD JPY, I was looking for it to maybe go bearish. Why? Because if you thought about it, DXY did have that push up, and we're now taking out the Asia highs. So I'm looking for it to maybe see if we're gonna look. You already see that we like kind of came down and are rejecting the highs again. See if we can go lower. If we go lower, UJ will not go up. So when I came over to here, first thing I saw, this sweep, clear sweep of liquidity, and what happened right after there was a bullish break of structure. What happened after that? Clear retracement right into discount, tap and go, continuation. So like I just, for, you know, maybe someone out here, anyone here who hasn't, you know, traded with me or been here before, that's really what I look for. Is I look for direction, I look for a liquidation in that direction with built up liquidity, which usually is like, you know, this trend line, big move up that's taking out the highs from early sellers, then just retracing back onto the discount to then continue the trade. The one reason why I wasn't really looking to get into it is because you go to the hourly, we're still in a retracement of this overall sell. We're just now getting right into discount, so it's, you know, I'm expecting some sort of sell-off from somewhere in this area. So I don't really like buying into an area that I'm potentially going to sell off of. I mean, you look at UJ. UJ's taking out these highs, kind of stalling. If the DXY also stalls and goes down from here, you know what I'm saying? If it goes, see what is that? It is one pattern. It's called the that should be in this one, right? Ray. Maybe Ray? Just kidding, not Ray. Not that also. What's the one, guys, where it's like a why can't I find it? Scary. Whatever. Noob question, what's the meaning behind the Sonar Lab session's first 3 hours? What do you mean, what's the meaning? So like, what this means is that like, what do you mean? So basically like, these are the 3 major sessions that we trade. What's the meaning behind? So like when it's just showing you when London opens, and then obviously the lowest point is to London. The reason why it's the first 3 to 4 hours is because it's the same reason for New York. I mean, New York I even do less. It's not even the first 3 hours for New York. It's the first like hour and a half I really trade. But it's just when there's, oh, why only 3 hours versus full session? Bro, it comes down to data. I've just found that the first 3 hours has the most volatility and liquidity in that. And then based upon the first 3 hours highs and lows, you'll often see those ones get manipulated that lead to these big extensions. Whereas like if you were to put the whole session, it wouldn't look like the lows are getting manipulated, if that makes sense. It's like all the trades you see that we're winning of us taking it based upon the first 3 hours highs and lows, well, we'd be missing it if we had it at the full session. Whereas if you put the full session on, I don't really see it as much where we really get a good sweep like that. That's not true, because it does, but it just comes from data, bro. What SMA you use? Can we see the settings? Yeah, so I use the smooth moving average up here. I use the 3 SMMA. I use the 8, the 50, and the 200. Gang, 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 gang. Hope y'all understand it. So guys, look at the DXY. Look at the DXY taking this high. If it goes short from here. Oh wow, look at EU. It almost rejected off. Oh, but this is good. It's good that I actually missed it, because now we have a low to take out before tapping in to the zone. And then we actually could take this trade like we wanted to. Or that like I wanted to earlier. GU's already kind of holding it. Oh yeah. The buys I wanted all night. Like I said, EU just needed to come down, liquidate a little more. That's all I needed to happen. What's your favorite crumble cookie? I freaking love you. I love crumble cookie so much. I haven't had it in so long because I'm freaking dieting, but I mean, bro, I don't know. There's so many that I've liked. I just like ones with like their icing and shit. I need a discount for that lifetime payment for $1,200. I need to sell my liver. Use code NLT. Go use code NLT. There's 15% off right there. Boom. You're welcome. That's like $200, almost $300 off. Or if you come and join, the mentorship, it's included. You get lifetime access to the signal room as well as my course and stuff. I can still remember that GJ dropped from like 400 pips last Friday around 2 a.m. Eastern. Yeah, that shit was crazy, bro. Like what? I can't believe EU missed my zone by that much. Guys, this is the first zone I talked about at the very beginning of the stream. Very beginning. We'll see if EU and GU both can pull down a little bit. Because even when it comes to GU, you could see that we did get the lows taken out right here to tap into the zone. But anyone who's been trading with me is that if there's aggressive selling into the zone, I won't just take it at the tap. It has to kind of reject, right? Come up and then come back down and fail to make new lows and kind of respect, so we can take the break up in here, kind of anticipating the continuation. Because if not, what could be happening is this comes out, comes down, rejects, pulls up, right? Or just looked bad. It comes up, comes down, is pulling back into here to sell back down into here, kind of taps just to continue lower. That's why you wait for it to fail to make new lows here. As soon as that happens, then you could look for a potential buy. What time is it in LA right now? It's 11:25. Say no to crumble cookie gains. Yes, sir, Reginald. There are already trading competitions like the Robbins Cup. What did he say? What's your take on people that call stocks gambling? I think life's a gamble, and that if you don't gamble or take a risk, then you're not going to go anywhere. I obviously see the reasons why it has similarities to trading, because you're basically risking money in order to potentially gamble it and make more. But it's not really a gamble when you have a proven strategy that has data that backs it up, that you can prove over a period of time. At the end of the day, you know, it's just probabilities and following a strict plan. And it's just different because we're literally trading like currencies or stocks. Whereas the gambling, it can even easily get more manipulated because it's just cards or, you know, whatever it may be. Because, dude, last time I went to Vegas, I got robbed. They were cheating for sure. They were cheating. Oh, the jewelry cooks, I remember. Yo, chill. Guys, new YouTube video coming out. Would you guys rather me drop it tomorrow or drop it on Wednesday? Tuesday or Wednesday? Tomorrow I'm holding the video. Damn, what is that for a few in the background? Looks like you. W gatekeeping our videos, Luca. Hey, yo. Your looks very peaceful. Do you ever just sit on the couch in the background and reflect on the night without any distractions or noise? Bro, all the time. What are you guys gonna do after? It's dirty right now too. It's not really dirty, but just like the blankets everywhere. But I was taking videos with that. But y'all like the views for sure. I can't go up. Definitely fortunate. Definitely fortunate. Just joined a few minutes ago. What are your eyeing tonight? I want EU to come back down, take out this low, potentially hold this low and continue higher. That'd be pretty ideal. Same thing with GU, is looking for it to continue lower. Bro, if you win in Vegas, it's an anomaly. I grew up there. Alright. I've never been to LA, but maybe next year, first time. Bro, if any of you guys are in LA, I always say, y'all can hit me up. You know what I'm saying? If you guys want to see me, just, you know, make an effort. Let me know. Only if you're real ones though, and I see your names in the chat showing love and shit, then I will. Yo, I'd pull up and learn everything from you in a month. Hell yeah. Was in LA yesterday. Hey bro, never hit me up. Yo, if I go to LA, you better pick me up with some tortas. Hey yo, bro, I'll pick you up in the Porsche and we will go hunting for some tortas. Them bitches love that blue Porsche. Bro, you should come visit Jamaica. Bro, I would love to. I would love to visit Jamaica. That's on the list for sure. Maybe actually. Wait, bro, is it opposite of our weather? Like, you guys know how there's certain places in different countries where like when it's our summer, it's their winter and shit? Is Jamaica one of those places? Or is that just like South America? Yeah. You should do like a trading boot camp where you guess however many guys you can, everyone brings their setups, and you do a month-long trading camp on live stream every month. New people, 3K a person. Wait, bring a setup and you do a month-a-thon trading camp on live stream. With people in person, that shit would just be a little hard. It would be cool, and it sounds similar to like the boot camp I'm kind of doing right now. But doing, you know, definitely doing that for content stuff would definitely be cool. You know what I'm saying? Below equator is the opposite season. Tropical all year, little rain in some May. Oh wow, all the time. Yo, what up, Salva? Good to see you, brother. Like the stream, yes sir. Make sure you like the stream. We got like 80 people here, 27 likes. If you guys are new here, my name is Luca. Good to meet you guys. I am a day trader. People like to say I trade SMC, but I actually trade SLMC. It's a little different. It's Smart Luca Concepts, which basically looks for SMC traders to be taken out, and I use their liquidity and stop losses as entry criteria to take their trades in the other direction. Goated like that. But make sure y'all are subscribed. Make sure y'all have your notifications on. New YouTube video potentially tomorrow, if not Wednesday for sure, 100%. Very funny video. I actually really liked it. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Salva, how you doing, sir? Bro, you think I can learn 101 with you with your strategy directly? I trade new since 1 year. Probably I know the most important thing I trade. Momo, I do 100 challenges, 45% profit right now. Yeah, bro, like, I'm not even just saying this. I hope there's some other people in the chat that actually are part of the mentorship. Oh, like Reginald and Lewis, I know you guys are here. But there's a couple people in the mentorship that are like absolutely killing it. It's pretty crazy. A couple of them literally didn't even really know. Like one or two of them, actually one of them traded pretty good before. Two of them, I would say, needed just tweaking and now using the strategy. It's just like, I don't know. It's just crazy to see, like, just based upon what I teach in the mentorship, people are responding to it and their freaking results have been crazy. Join solid backtesting session the other day on your Discord. Hey, that's awesome, bro. Yeah, it's I think Salva was the one hosting it. Guys, if Salva's on Discord backtesting, you guys better go get some freaking free sauce. Salva winning contest. Salva winning contest. SWC. If y'all want to learn SWC, you got to be tuned into the Discord calls. Lewis said no cap. Yes, sir. Lewis right there posted garage. He's in the mentorship as well. And Lewis, you haven't even been trading that long, right? That's what I'm trying to say is that, like, I thought Lewis was trading way longer than I expected. And then when he told me, I was like, oh, what the fuck? And he's already freaking seeing it. Like, now he just needs the repetitions. Got the strategy. Working on the mindset. Working on, you know, all that content, documenting the journey, bro. There ain't gonna be no journey to document when you're just off the bat making freaking racks because you're killing the strategy. No, I'm kidding. Kidding. Gotta make monthly hoodies drops with all these acronyms. Guys, I mean, fuck. GU, really? UJ? Did you do anything, UJ? Nothing back yet. EU DXY. So guys, look at the DXY. I literally called it. After we take out this high, look at this big sell-off it's been happening. But that is what caused GU and EU to go up. But there's been no pullback since they didn't have a pullback. You know what I'm saying? Almost at point to pull trigger on mentorship. Still working on bouncing back from a bad August, and I'll join, bro. Guys, I'm gonna put it right here. A couple people left, so it's like, if some of you guys are still here, I'm putting the direct link literally to the Calendly. That will answer all your questions. It is completely free. You're not gonna lose any money getting on this call. It could be as quick as you want, as long as you want to ask questions. Click on that, guys, and set up a direct meeting. I'm telling you, if you guys are interested in mentorship. I feel like flights to Cali would be so expensive, like 400. Where are you, Zell? 400 from where? Wait, hold on. For anyone who is interested in the mentorship, actually fill out this type form. It's gonna make us be able to know a little bit more about you. But click on that, it'll be a no limit trading type form. You can see right here, you just press start and go through. But guys, like I said, it's completely free. Please just fill it out. Y'all got this. If you guys want to elevate your trading, like I said, all the people in it have been absolutely killing it. It's gonna be crazy. All the testimonials have been Wild. So if you guys want the same results, y'all know where to be. Joining out to VIP today. Yes, sir, guys. Click that link that Salva sent as well. If you guys want to take the signals as well. We went over this already, but you can see here, absolutely killed. First trade of the week was these gold sells. You can see here, looking for sells on gold. Entered sell stops, telling you when we're active. TP1, TP2, securing majority here at TP3. You guys can see this absolutely, absolutely killer. Easy, easy peasy, peasy, peasy. Just click that link. G made the down and up. I missed it too. Tired. Thanks as always. Be good. Gains you got this week. 70s next. Yo, 70s next. Tell him. That just means that Reginald's tapped in, bro. 70s are next. I got it a little bit, but not all the way down. Ah, God. Gonna have to do it. I came back home. Oh, you're from Jamaica? Bro, $400 to fly from Jamaica to California is not that expensive. I'll host a tournament on my YouTube. I'll pay for half that shit if you beat me in something. 200? Yeah, bro. I'll give you that any fucking day. And I could probably fly to my mom in PA, then fly to Cali. They don't charge too much from US to US. Hey, flying in winter, they love overcharging. Overcharging. Good deals for flights, damn. That's what I'm saying. 400, I feel like is kind of a good deal. Can you explain the big candle on GJ on Friday? Yeah, so the big candle on GJ has to do with the Japanese yen. The reason why is that they had new elections. So obviously when new elections occur, that's a big news event. That's high impact news. Because of the person who got elected, he's actually seen to be good for the economy. People actually really enjoy him and think he's actually going to change a lot of things in favor of the JPY, which is the Japanese yen. Because of just him getting elected, sent GJ going down 630 pips. 630 pips absolutely fell off, drowned due to him being that, because people think that he is going to be a good leader and that he's actually going to increase the strength of the Japanese yen, which once again, if you've been looking at where the Japanese yen is, you know, we had made all-time highs not that long ago. And then there's just, you know, let me see if it'll remain stable or what, or start going down to be stronger. Because inflation on is crazy. You see up here, 193. 193, crazy. It just means that it's one Great British pound to equal 193 Japanese yen, which means that the yen is cheap, you know? The yen is cheap. Active from Telegram fam, yes sir. Play ball Dessa more while up, bro. K-Tal, bro. K-Tal. Dale. Trading is the way, bro, especially if you're young. Bro, trading is the way, even if you're not young. I say it all the time, but I don't give a shit how old you are, but just get started. Just trade, because the day that you start trading, you start a new life. I don't care what you did before, what you think you might, what you are, whatever it is, you are completely starting fresh when you start trading, because your mindset's going to change completely. Even about the littlest things are going to change. You just become a monk. A monk in this savage trading world. I want everyone also, guys, if you guys are not on my Instagram, please go and tune in, guys. Ever since I got my Instagram banned, my engagement's kind of down right now, so I need y'all to freaking show some love. Here's the reel from today. I am giving away an account to someone who comments, so go leave a comment on it. Saying trading is just a gamble. Psych. Like I told y'all though, bro. It's your guys' last chance. Go click, use this link. Or actually use the link that Sal was saying. Guys, come join. And use code NLT, guys. I'm giving you guys literally a discount to come join. What you guys should be doing, I'm giving you guys the cheat code. If you guys are in the signals room and I'm calling sell gold, sell GJ, whatever it is up to you to just have good risk management, hold my trades to usually around a 2.53 risk to reward, close your partials, and then don't take dumb trades outside of my signals. If you're going to take my trade and make 3%, 4%, but then go take 4 trades outside and lose them all, then it's not my fault. Maybe even have a separate account. Maybe even open a separate account where you just take my signals and you grow it. Just from last night's trade, you could be up so much that you could go lose 1 trade a day for the next freaking the rest of the week and still been up just from the trade last night. So click that link, come and join. It's the link, guys. And like I said, I just gave you guys a discount code too. When you go to checkout, use discount code NLT. Is Clarity international payouts, and how long do you usually payouts? Yes, they do international payouts. That is no problem. How long does it take? It really just depends on your situation, how much you request, and all that type of stuff, bro. Sometimes I've seen people get paid out the same day. Sometimes I know people have had to wait like a week or something, you know? And that's just me being completely honest. You know, instead of me being like, oh, it's the fastest ever, you know, I'm just telling you my experience. Y'all come here, y'all gonna get it raw from the boy. Yo, that sounded, yo. That sounded awful. Do not clip that. Do not clip that. That was trash. I don't know if you guys even heard what I said. That was not chill. That was not chill even in the slightest way. That was too much. Alright, so I like that EU is starting to lose a little volume as we're coming down. Pause, already clipped. Oh baby, yo, Jonathan, what the fuck? Chill. What is wrong with you guys? Now I know who be putting the eggplant emoji on the giveaways. Jonathan be fucking starting that. Came in sounding like old dirt. Yo, Jonathan. Horny bastard. What's up with you, Jay? My pullback was G. Hey, rely. USD cat soul. Oh wow. That makes no sense to me. The Canadian dollar has to have some type of news or something coming out that's just absolutely just making it just wreck the US dollar right now. Damn, more fucking news tomorrow. Crazy. EU. Take pictures. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna be getting out of here in a second, so for anyone who needs any questions answered or anything, this is your guys' chance. TJ pumping, I know. Saw my other screen. I think that we're gonna get a reversal. You guys will see. It's false, false, false. What's your gold analysis? Thing I was talking about on gold, guys, is that it looks like it just, you know, looks like it's in a bullish structure because we've broken past these highs, but we're just now back in discount, where it's like I don't really like buying in discount. You know what I'm saying? We had this huge sell-off, and yes, we're coming up to fill it, but it's like I think we're coming up to fill it to potentially like then accumulate and come back down. You know what I'm saying? So I think. Peace, bro. Good one. I'll catch you tomorrow. Yes, sir, guys. Hey, y'all can't even miss me too much because I'll be back tomorrow with the same shit. Make sure you guys are tuned into my Instagram, guys. Always showing love. Turn your notifications on. Y'all are the goats. Y'all are the best. I need all the support I can. My engagement, everything is down. Because I got my Instagram banned for 5 days. I don't know if anyone, you know, if all you guys knew that, but I got my Instagram banned for 5 days. So I'm trying to build it back up. So, you know. Respond to my stories, like my stories, comment on posts, comment on whatever you want to do. You know what I'm saying? But I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for always being cool as hell. Hit that NLT link that Salva sent. Come join the gang before it's too late. Because what I hate is that like I always will update you guys too. I'll freaking send to you guys saying, hey, here's the link to oh yeah, I gotta look for this. Let me send this. Basically all I was gonna say is that you guys keep missing out. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Was there no music playing or anything? Alright, well, the link that I just sent into the chat is the link to free signals, guys. If you guys are not a part of that, at the very least, join that, bro. Come on now. No excuses. For anyone else who's here, spam some W's in the chat. Let's see those W's. To end the stream. W's. Let me take a picture. Boomerang. We always out here regardless. You know the vibes exactly. Well, I appreciate y'all guys. Literally go and backtest these setups, guys. I talked about these playing out before price even came down to these areas. We're still waiting to see if EU can take out this low, but look at like GU and stuff, guys. It's like a slingshot. I talked about it earlier on the mentorship. Just kind of built up liquidity. Once we get that pullback, just it's pulling back the slingshot, boing. You know what I'm saying? But I appreciate y'all. I'll be back on live stream tomorrow, same time, same place. Y'all are the best. Literally, I always think this, but we are the best trading live stream during London session. Actually, during even New York. I don't know even during New York killing like us. So appreciate y'all, guys. Stay tuned. If you guys are not a part of the community, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, so you guys can tune in and be a part of the next one. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on YouTube, guys. New YouTube coming out. Instagram always active. Turn your notifications on. Love you guys so much. Thank you guys for coming. I believe in you guys. Stay true. Don't stake any stupid trades. Practice risk management. And I'll see you guys on live stream tomorrow. Peace out, gang. Later. Deuces, deuces, deuces. Make sure y'all take a screen. Make sure y'all take a picture, tag me on Instagram. I'll repost. Oh, guys, I have a new thing coming out too. Just wait on it. Just wait on it. I'm telling you guys right now, this new thing I got coming out. Like this. What pair is this? This is GU. GU. Demand led to the break. Lows to take out. Liquidity, tap, slingshot, go. Aiming for the rest of liquidity. Right here. Almost there. You'll see. If should have put this on my story earlier, but I should have said if 1 3 3 8 5 3 gets hit, y'all owe me effort. No, I'm kidding. But where's that Anthony? No, oh, it was Anthony. That was his first TP. Hit TP on stream again. Yeah, exactly. TP on stream again. Like usual, breaking charts down to the T. But y'all are the goats. Wouldn't be here without y'all. Y'all make the stream super fun, so I appreciate y'all. Hope you guys have a good one. Regular days, TP's hit all the time. Join the free signals, join my Instagram, join YouTube. See you on the next one. Peace out, gang.